Every day, the production of Egg McMuffin ingredients begins across a massive supply chain. Every day, the production of Egg McMuffin ingredients begins across a massive supply chain involving bakeries, egg processing plants. Fresh eggs arrive at the processing centers, where they are cleaned, inspected, and sorted under strict quality standards. Automated spiral mixers produce thousands of muffins every hour, ensuring consistent quality at a massive scale. English muffins are baked in large industrial bakeries using automated dough mixers, proofing systems, and conveyor ovens that produce thousands every hour.
The eggs used for the sandwiches are cooked using specialized ring-shaped cooking systems that create the signature round egg shape. After cooking, the eggs are rapidly cooled. An infrared sensor precisely measures the temperature, ensuring quality standards are met before packaging and transport.
The eggs are rapidly cooled and moved to the labeling zone. Each tray receives a detailed barcode, which is
Here at the processing facility, the Canadian bacon is cured using a high-precision brine injector before being sliced and cooked. Meanwhile, breakfast meat, such as Canadian bacon, is produced in meat processing facilities, where the meat is cured and the slices are then chilled and packed for shipment, with portion control ensuring perfect stacks every time.
At the restaurant level, the muffins are toasted while the eggs, meat, and cheese are heated and assembled in a standardized sequence.
Here you go, sir. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Free of note. This highly coordinated supply chain allows millions of breakfast sandwiches to be produced and assembled every day.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.